All right, Mr. Dave here on another job. We are starting, but actually it's already been going for a while now. We have one of my students, two of them, that came to one of my classes, my course, way back in 24. And they have been plotting and scheming for a long time. We are working on a swimming spa thing. It's like a spa that's really huge. And they are working here in East-ish. It's really San Diego, and this is the dirt of San Diego. That's the equipment pad for their ginormous spa thing. It's the worst dirt because it isn't even dirt. It's just river rocks mixed in, and they're doing everything like totally legit and perfect because you guys are both architects. Is that right, Val? You're both engineers. See, engineers, they're even more geeked out. So they are just taking it to another level with this crazy project. We are working on making the giantest, is that a word? Spa ever. We have our rebar bubbles they made a bunch of them, and Daniel made some, and so these are the puzzle pieces that you can then import into the slope. We've got terraces on this wonderful large canvas, as it were. There's going to be a shower over here on the side there. And we have all the infrastructure going on. There's the retaining walls that are happening, and they carry up these heavy blocks like they're nothing. I'm very humbled by their efforts and energy. It's quite incredible. So we're figuring out where stuff goes. That's just a bubble we just put on there. Same thing with this one over here in the shade, which you can't see so good, but pre-made bubbles, and then you just extend the bottoms down. And you got it done. You get it done. So we are jackhammering and making noise. We set up our workstation over here, which is pretty awesome. And so there'll be stairs going up this direction. These are temporary just for working. You can see the size of this spa. It's got jets galore. And we are going to be having a portable spa up here on the top where Sherwood is working. And I'm using my temporary steps here. And I'll actually go over and use these ones so I can not fall on myself. Use propane and a torch to bend drain pipes and PVC. And these boulders, these stackers are so heavy. How heavy are they, Sherwood? They're like 60 pounds?
68 pounds.
68 pounds! How young are you? Again?
66.
He's 66! He's a beast!
Not 68.
He's not 68 like I'm going to be in a few weeks. In July. And so the portable spa is going inside these rebar sticks up in the air with the caps on them. Pretty amazing. And so these guys are doing so much of this work themselves, it just boggles the mind. This is the starting pipe, 2.5 inch, I think. And that is going to be feeding the water course, which is going to start up here somewhere and then go down, and it's going to split and go to the spa. And then another one is going to go to a pond down here where Daniel's clearing out space to make it have more of a naturalistic look to it. And the whole reason they're doing it up here is because of this amazing view looking northwesterly here in San Diego County. San Diego is so great because it's got all these hills and valleys and nooks and crannies, so there's all kinds of wonderful places to make your own little Shangri-La. So as I walk down the slope trying to kill myself. So this will be a pond in this little section. Haven't figured it out, but we're digging in little footings at the base of this terrace, and then we're going to put rebar uprights and then roll them up over the dirt so you can use the dirt as your formwork, so to speak, and we'll just shotcrete right over it. So we're going to be moving over this way too, and they're going to be putting in a shower over there at some point. So pretty amazing. Just having a blast in the creative phase, which is when you're deciding what goes where and what it is that you're going to put wherever. So pretty amazing. The client made this after going to my class in 2024, and it came out nice little boulder thing. So we're going to finish that out too and include it in the design. Now look at my temporary steps here because I'm old and I don't want to fall down and hurt myself. So full on spa / pool, bunch of jets. We're gonna have a waterfall somewhere next to that guy, kind of dumping in this way. It's gonna be so nice. So putting the puzzle piece together, and making another project of rock stuff with rebar. All right, so Mr. Dave on the Waterfall, having a good time. Hope you're having a good time wherever you are. Remember to be thankful and forgiving, and you will be a happier camper. All right, we're right on the flight path for the local airport, and so we hear airplanes all the time. It's a little airplane. So, anyways, have a good day no matter what, you guys. We'll see you on the next one. Okay, bye. Shoot.